I am back in Elkin, North Carolina. The next two stops are where I finished my last North Carolina trip. I'm about 5 hours out from home, and my attitude has adjusted. I have my bar super low. I don't really know how frequently this place restocks, but I haven't been here since like last April. So I'm hoping to get as lucky as I did last time. Let's go in. I'm at Antique Mall of the Foothills. But also, I'm obsessed with this sign, if you couldn't tell. I remember this place had these super funky baskets. I'm gonna put it down though while I look at the little cowboy mug. Very cute, but I just realized it's $19.95, not $1.95. I'm just kidding. Well, this back room is where I got super lucky last time. I haven't really seen anything yet, honestly. It's just been kind of more humdrum, run-of-the-mill stuff. Yeah, it was this booth that I like cleaned out, and honestly, I don't think I was wrong to think that they didn't restock very frequently, because it kind of looks like this used to be packed, and it kind of looks like they've just kind of rearranged stuff, even though it's been like a year almost. But maybe not. We'll keep going. What about you? $27. That's fantastic. Unfortunately, at that price, I can't really do anything with it. And the Lefton Nurse is pricier than I would sell her for at $23. Napco planter. I love her little gift, but still a little bit high for me. Oh, I remember this salt and pepper shakers galore. Oh my God, that scared me so bad. Okay, let me calm down. Okay, so this one looks like a single, yeah. And unfortunately, it's $10, so that's not happening. And $14 is retail on those. And this guy is actually missing his salt and pepper shakers. Not seeing anything down there. Now, the hen on nest looks mixed matched. Oh, man. Okay, so I remember this one. I left this one. It was a single. These are kind of fun. Sneezy Chef, but they're $23, which seems a little extreme. And I like the little strawberries, but they're definitely on the newer side. And a lot of these are either newer or ones I've had before. These are kind of cool with the pinup girl on the chair, but they're, again, right at retail at $12. And these look like Christ. They definitely are Christ. $22. Dang. And that's a reproduction. And this one, that's not right. That came from the set with the donkey. A little bit of Christmas left over here. Again, all at retail down there. The carolers. Are those 22 each? Yeah, that's really high. Lots of cutesy stuff, but not cutesy prices. Oh, dang, it's busted. This would definitely be an exception to my sports ban. I always pick up these little Pose Pixies when I can. Again, I'm pretty surprised at this point by how there's literally no Valentine's Day. I see Easter, Halloween, Christmas, everything but. This is very cool, but what is this guy? Oh, not what I thought it was. What is this little thing? I already see $28. Yeah, German. Very cute, but not for me. Yeah, I remember this as being a little chaotic. I loved these, but I left them here last time. They were super broken. I'm kind of nervous to walk around in here, honestly. I feel like I'm gonna break something myself. A lot of stuff, but nothing really my style, or if it is my style, it's not my thing. I see Little Red Riding Hood, salt and pepper shakers. $50, they're not that rare. Oh my gosh. $7. Boom. Now, I've only seen this once before, and I got so excited when I saw it because I thought it would sell for like a crazy amount. And whereas it sold for a lot more than $7, I want to say it was around 35, 30. It was right below retail, the one I wanted to pick up. And it's kind of got that like Mr. Toodles vibe. Very cute. And for $7, I'm definitely going to grab this. I'm trying really hard to find something else because I just kind of feel like, what if I get up there and there's a $10 minimum on a debit card? I might actually freak out. I've like actually asked people to just charge me the minimum even if my item's less, and they won't do it, which is crazy. Lots of nice glass, but not at my resale prices. Gosh, I love that pink iridescent so much. I know I'm like not a glass basket person, but I had to look anyway. Last couple booths here. This place isn't big, but it's definitely packed. Love the little sugar dog. I also kind of like this vase, Japan. It's got the butterfly too. That's kind of nice. Huh. $10 and 15%. It's not like the normal kitschy thing I would normally go for, but I kind of like it. Oh my gosh, wait. These Norcrest cats. Okay, well, first of all, it's 50% off. So they're $25. I could still make a little bit of money on them, but not enough to get excited about spending $25 on them. Like this little vanity mirror. $13. Price is definitely right. Wait a minute. This says Pigeon River 2001 $11.95 chipmunk and 15%. Maybe I should look it up just to make sure I know what I'm talking about. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence. It's not really my thing, but it feels weird to leave behind. Maybe I should switch it up. I've been so picky and I haven't had much luck. This is cool too. I'm trying to figure out, that's very cool. And then I'm also seeing these Fenton cats. $17. It's not a bad price at all. $19. I love this pink color. $26. I can't do that. Yeah, I'm kind of starting to feel like maybe being as picky as I've been hasn't been treating me right. Oh my gosh, this is only $1.95. Should I just let loose? Oh wow, this person has a whole other booth actually. Hold on. Not really seeing much. This funny little cat. It's a little disturbing. All right, I have made an executive decision. I'm gonna stop being as picky as I've been, and that's Avon, just kidding. I'm still gonna be that picky, no Avon. I've decided that I am going to, oh my gosh. But wait, that Cupid, I really wanna know how much that is. What? Creepy. Okay, so what I was gonna say is I'm gonna actually get in that case, but in the meantime, I've decided that I'm gonna stop being so picky because I'm not sure if it's a blessing or a curse right now. I can go back to being picky later, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Pigeon River chipmunk and this really just freaking interesting black glass dish because it's so different. Look at this crazy little thing. Oh my gosh, it's $15 and it's spectacular. So even though that celluloid Cupid doll had some damage on the bottom of its feet, for $15 I didn't care. I'd never seen one in that size before in person, I feel like. Not with that face and not that size. They're usually pretty miniature. So I only spent $40 in there. I got out of my comfort zone and now I'm gonna get comfortable and put on a sweater and go down the road. Absolutely magical. Oh, I remember they had some really freaking cool ashtrays here. I really like this one. $45. Oh my gosh, gosh, look at this. It's so cool. It's a lamp. And I've had that before, and it's got some paint loss. This is one of the things I remember the most. Looks like we gotta go around to get in. Whew, man, this place had like such crazy holiday stuff. Again, it's one of those places I didn't really get the vibe that they restocked much, but you never know. This cute little, oh my gosh, and you know I love these guys with the trim. Now, I looked at the green Santa last time, and he was a little pricey for me. I did score big on some Holt Howards here. Oh, look at that, it's so cute. That's only $3. All right, well, I'm gonna pick this up because it's adorable, and it's super unique, and it's only $3. Look at this. Oh, it's seen better days, so now I have to know how much the Santa is, even though it's really not my thing. Let's see, 125, yeah. Whew. Okay. Where did I leave off? Candle huggers. I've had this before. I'm not really a big fan of the boots. Cute, but paint loss and kind of common. And of course her, I looked at her last time, she had some wear. Is this a pink flocked reindeer? Well, it clearly is, but still. All right, it's $28. I don't think I can do anything with that at that price, unfortunately. Little Rudolph is cute, again, more common. This poor angel head, she's seen better days. Cute little doodads. July. She needs a good cleaning. What is this thing? $3? That's so weird. It kind of looks like one of those snow babies, but it's an angel. I'm gonna grab this too. Very strange. Oh, look at this snowman. You know I'm a sucker for snowman. $5? You know what? I think I'm gonna take him too. Oh my gosh. What is this? $12, Japan. This is so stinking cool. These are the coolest things ever. And they're old new stock. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get both. Done. I need a basket. Wow, I have never seen those, look at all the Christmas lights. I've never seen those like swan, goose, duck things. Those are so freaking cool. I happily paid $12 a piece for them. Especially because they're in their original package. All right, let's see what else we can find in here. Good grief, you think there's enough ornaments to look through? Luckily, my eye is somewhat trained. I can kind of sort through this stuff kind of quickly, except for this one I can't see in there. All right, I didn't really see anything in those baskets, but wait a minute, it's Christmas over there. Last time I was here was Easter. Oh, duh, that makes sense. Dang, still no Valentine's. You would think there would be some Valentine's Day stuff out. Oh, wow, look at these guys. Those are fantastic, but unfortunately at $40. That's about retail. And of course, I remember this super fun toy booth. Let's see. A lot of the wind-up toys were pretty close in price. I found a couple things. Oh my gosh, so much weird stuff. I love it. Let's see. I don't really do battery op toys. And, oh, excuse me. Let's see what else though. Over here. 25, the donkey's fun, 10. I just got so many of those down the way though. Yeah. And I see a couple of squeaks, but more common ones. Or new ones. Yes, I remember there being an insane amount of glass here. Not really my thing, though I love that it's color coordinated. Oh my gosh, a Hull Poodle. I see a chip already, though. Dang. I say it's 35. Nope. Look at these clown wall blacks. Oh my gosh. Those are cool. How much are they, though? 26 for the pair. I have to pass, unfortunately. Yeah, the last couple times I've had a Hull Poodle, I want to say it sold for $55, $60, but of course that includes my US shipping fee. For something like that, it's anywhere from like $14 to $18. What else do we have here? This is a fun little sugar and creamer set. Like the color of that. Oh my gosh, everything's so packed in here. 12. I'm not gonna do 12. That's, yeah, there's a lot of cute, look at this little planter. Oh my gosh. 29. That's unfortunately too much for me. Yeah, I remember this place had some prices that were pretty. Oh, and of course, I think I looked at this last time. $20. Yeah, very cute, but again, retail. Yeah, and everything was just so well displayed and organized. Now down here, this is where the Easter stuff was. And I remember a lot of it was missing prices. But I can't believe I don't see any Valentine's. Okay, this is adorable. This little Napco-ware bone china. And even though this is that bisque material, those usually sell pretty well. But this guy, $3, and it's a Joseph Originals. I can tell by the font on the sticker. Also, I mean, I just am familiar with the expression, but I'm gonna grab this. And the little Irwin bunny, so cute. Now, they have a lot of amazing candy containers, but again, all pretty close to retail or have some damage. I love the lollipop holder. Yeah, not really seeing anything that different from when I was here last, which is what I suspected. But it's okay. We've still found some great stuff. Well, I only spent $38 in there. I'm gonna try and squeeze in one more. Honestly, though, I think it might be time to call it quits and get back on the road home. I'm gonna look at a map and see where I'm at.